Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a wig review from Cranberry. This wig is your 13 by 4 lace front wig and is a bob unit. It's a 12-inch unit. They sent a pair of lashes, wig cap and the unit. Guys, straight out of the box, this is the juiciness of this hair. This is how good the coils are. The hair is lush, it's beautiful, and the coils are just, coiling. Guys, this is the coils of this wig, and here's the construction of this wig cap. There are 4 combs, 2 by the sides, 1 at the middle and 1 at the down. And for details on this unit, I'm going to leave it in my description box for you guys, and just everything you need to know about this wig, the link to this hair, I'm going to leave it in my description box. So I'm just going to start by cutting out the lace net before I install this wig. Also, I'm going to apply a bit of powder on it so it blends very well. And for this installation, I'm using the got-to-be glue to install this wig, and it is really easy for me. So I'm just going to show you guys how I use this glue to install this unit. And please do not forget to give me a thumbs up. It is very helpful to my channel and to this video. Please give me a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to this channel already, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. Also, leave your comments in the comment section. Here guys, this is a final look of this installation. This hair is gorgeous. Like, the hair is a good quality hair. The texture of this unit, the quality, the lace, everything about this wig is on point, guys. This unit is gorgeous, guys. So let me know in the comment section what your take on this wig is, and do not forget to check my description box for more details on this unit, and subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed already. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.